how to schedule posts on Hootsuite. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule posts on Hootsuite. So to get started, go ahead and open Hootsuite into your preferred browser and then click on create a post at the top right of your screen, and that will take you into this page. So in here, you need to go ahead and select that social media platform you want to publish that post, and then go ahead and enter the details of your post into this section. So as you can see, you can incorporate a caption in here. You can also upload an image, add hashtags, and then enhance your post with only Writer AI. So this AI tool will allow you to improve your post for better engagement if you prefer that. So you can click on this use this content button to use this inspire engagement by Only AI. And then to schedule this, click on schedule for later and then set the date and the time for posting this specific post on that social media account connected to your Hootsuite account. So once you're done with this, click on done and then click on schedule to proceed scheduling this post. And that is how you can basically schedule a post on Hootsuite. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.